The Pirates of Her Lady Virtue by Sean Williams. In fancy London street, all cobbled with gold, lived little boy Curls, his young mother, and his father getting old. He was growing up at such a pace, he rushed about having fun, and never cared for an untied bootlace. His mother said one day, "My boy, you're getting big. You'll need to learn how the big boys live." So she bundled him up in school clothes that fit. She rang a bell to call him. "The school coach will be here in a bit." So all swaddled in corduroy and a blazer of blue, he stomped off to school without a clue. He passed a week or so, bored as could be, until one day a boy did happen to bring a storybook filled with adventures of pirates. Later that night, all cozy in bed, little boy Curls escaped to his head. He was a little boy pirate, courageous and bold, and he never had to worry about getting old. Captain Braybeard had a voice that always rang true. He said, "Little boy Curl, you're as amazing as could be. I like you so much, I wish you were me." Little boy Curl wasn't shy, and thanked his beardiness, and as he walked off he ran into the first mate. Dee Dee was kind, but also very frank. It took her 5 seconds to answer any question, not to mention devour a lamb shank. Little boy Curl asked, "Do I have to grow up?" Dee Dee answered quickly, "Of course." But reading his face, seeing the remorse, she quickly added, "But being boring doesn't come with age, only more fun." Little boy Curl, a little confused, headed to the galley, hoping to be more amused. Cook Leo was chopping and cooking, and made it into a display. At the end little boy Curl did say, "That was amazing, really a delight." Cook Leo just simply said, "I only did what was right. A little boy should be encouraged to play his games." And with that little boy Curl did saunter away to Nurse Mia's office for a quick lie down, for it was the end of the pirate day. "Nurse Mia, I'm scared. I don't want to grow up." And all the nurse said was, "Hush, little boy Curls. Give it time and you'll see. One day you'll be almost as old as me. And it won't matter, but you know what will? The memories you make, and friends too. For what matters is you make the most of what makes you, you." So with that he laid his head down, and found himself awake in his own bed, and something had changed in his mind, in his head. He wasn't dreading school or going downstairs. The pirates had told him what he needed to hear. Now he didn't have to worry. There was nothing to fear. So for a few years he'd visit the pirates of Lady Virtue, and took great care to tell them what he learnt and what he knew. The end.